How to get a $100 promo code for KFC. Whether you are craving a bucket of chicken or some sides, these tips will help you save big. So let's get started. First thing first, start by searching for KFC promo code or KFC discount code on Google search address bar. Now, after you search for it, this will direct you to various coupon websites and promotional offers. From those websites, check for the reputable coupon website for promo codes and discounts because some sites frequently list current KFC deals. Once you find the valid or reputable coupon websites, simply tap on it, and inside it you will get to see a list of offers available for the KFCs. So, from there, find a promo code and make sure to check its validity. Promo codes may have expiration dates or uses restrictions, so read the terms and conditions carefully as well. Then, after you find the promo code according to your preferences, simply tap on the View promo code and it will show the promo code on your screen. Then all you have to do is copy this promo code and paste it in the KFC website or app while checking out your order. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.